आज केस की हियरिंग दोबारा 4 वीक के लिए
क्या फीलिंग है आज जो आपके वालिद साहब की मर्डर केस है, क्या फीलिंग है आपकी?
On September 20th, 1996, 8 people were brutally murdered, and all those who were involved in the case, who have been accused of their murder, were let go. No one has been held accountable. How is it possible that 8 people were murdered and that no one has been held accountable? We are here today to fight for justice, not only for my father, but also for many other fathers, sons, brothers who were murdered that night.
अच्छा, आपको क्या शुबा है
जी,
आप किस पर इल्जाम लगाते हैं? इसके पीछे, इस साने के पीछे मरकजी किरदार कौन है?
Who may culprit, you know?
those who have been named in the case, we believe are the culprits, and there has been no doubt that those involved were not only rewarded for their deeds, but also promoted, gifted, and enjoy tremendous privilege within our country today.
आप अदालत से तवक्को करते हैं कि अपना इंसाफ मिलेगा?
You have it. Do you expect?
इंशाअल्लाह हम इसलिए हैं इधर क्योंकि हम इंसाफ में यकीन रखते हैं, and we have some hope in our judicial system. There is some hope in this case. This case has been opened, and so it has become our duty to appear in it.
आज मीर साहब यहाँ पे नहीं है, आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
मैं हर रोज उसको याद करता हूँ, हर रोज उनसे बात भी करता हूँ, and he's with me today, he's with all of us today, and not only my father but the fathers of Shanwaz Baloch here, Shaheed Yar Muhammad Baloch, and Aneet Jatoy, who is here as well, Shaheed Ashik Jatoy. They are all with us today.
ज़ुल्फ़िकार के साथ अपने दादा का जो केस आपका रीओपन हुआ है ज़ुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो का, उसके बारे में कुछ कमेंट करना चाहेंगे?
हम भी उसमें हिस्सा ले रहे हैं, और हम 40 साल से ज़्यादा भी इंसाफ के इंतज़ार में हैं, and I'm not sure how that case will proceed, but again we hope for justice. We hope for justice not only for my grandfather but for any sitting democratic leader in this country. There should be no opportunity for them not to serve their full term, and there should be no opportunity for them to be violently ousted, especially if they were a democratic leader.
Your followers are waiting to watch you as a leader, as your father. So what do you think about entry in politics?
Let's see how these elections go.
Thank you.
Thank you.